Hi, my name is Jessica Rulo, and I'm a co-owner of Forever Mindful. I own this shop with my mom. Forever Mindful is your one-stop earth-friendly shop. We are Trumbull County's first sustainable goods and refill store, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how, as a customer, to best experience our store. All right, so the way our store is set up is we just have some cute gift ideas here with some locally made candles, oral care and deodorants and men's care, a variety of bar soaps. We've got all your personal facial care and skincare products here. Got lip products and some makeup. A pet section here with some different eco-friendly pet supply products that you can fill up your containers with. Shampoos, conditioners, body washes, laundry essentials here as well. On the go swaps and cleaning tabs. First thing we do is go ahead and weigh your container so that we can charge you only for the product and not for the ounces of the container. And then we fill this up with your choice of product. Dish soap here. It's our most popular dish soap. And after we go ahead and get you however much you want, then we weigh it again, and then we just charge you by the number of ounces that you got for the product. Stop by and see us. We are excited to help you become more sustainable and hope to see you soon.